In this video, I'll show you how to sell crypto on Moonpay and cash out safely to fiat. First, open the Moonpay app or website and log in with your email. Make sure your identity verification, KYC, is completed, because selling crypto for cash usually requires it. Also check that you already hold the coin you want to sell, or that you're ready to send it in from your external wallet. On the main screen, tap or click Sell. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, for example, BTC, ETH, Y or USDT. Then select the fiat currency you want to receive, such as USD or EUR. Enter the amount of crypto you want to sell, and Moonpay will show you the cash amount, fees, and exchange rate. Next, pick your payout method. Depending on your region, this could be a bank transfer, card payout, or another local option. If it's your first time, add your bank or card details and double-check the information. When everything looks correct, confirm the sale. Send the crypto to the address Moonpay provides if required. Then track the status in your transaction history until the payout is completed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.